Ways to reduce Adobe PDF file size with Raster Image Printer 12. The methods for reducing file size discussed in this video only apply to searchable Adobe PDFs. This video covers image downsampling, which is used to reduce the image resolution of images embedded in vector output, such as a searchable Adobe PDF file, thereby helping to create a smaller overall file size. For non-searchable PDFs, please see our Ways to Reduce a Non-Searchable PDF File Size video. It is difficult to provide clear and simple instructions on how to reduce the file size of the Adobe PDF files you are creating, because the methods you should use is completely dependent on your input files. A primary issue you may encounter is trying to balance file size with image quality of the images embedded in your searchable PDF. If you are struggling to reduce your file size, please contact Peernet support and we'd be happy to help you work with your specific files. TIFF Image Printer does, however, offer two methods that can help reduce the file size of searchable PDFs. Please note that all of the following information also applies if you are creating PDF files with your Raster Image Printer. The two best settings to look at are compression options and image downsampling. Remember, these methods are only applicable if you have images embedded in your searchable PDFs that are causing you to create very large file sizes. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. Double-click on the PDF Image Printer icon on your desktop to launch the PDF Image Printer dashboard. If you have removed the PDF Image Printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to PDF Image Printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Select Add Profile. Name the profile as something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it Demo Profile. You also have the option to add a custom description. Remember, these file size reduction methods only apply when creating searchable PDFs, so ensure that Create each page of the PDF as an image is not enabled. Compression options are set on the Compression tab. By default, compression is enabled for all PDF files created. Turning compression off will increase your file size. You can apply different compression methods to images embedded in your searchable PDF file depending on the coloration of the image. Typically, users only need to change the compression method if they have been instructed to do so by a publisher or archiving software. Image downsampling is set on the Image Downsampling tab. Downsampling can greatly reduce the amount of space it takes to store any images contained in your Adobe PDF file by reducing the resolution of the images. The side effect of reducing the resolution of the images is a reduction in the quality of the images. How much you reduce the resolution will depend on the initial quality of the image and the end use of the PDF file. You can apply different downsampling values depending on the coloration of the image. If you are creating PDF files that are only meant to be viewed on a computer screen, then a downsampling value of 96 dpi is your best choice, as this is the maximum resolution displayed by a computer screen. If the PDF will be printed, you will need a higher downsampling value. When you are done making changes, click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. If you wish to make this profile the default profile used by PDF Image Printer, select Manage Printers. Beside PDF Image Printer, drop the box for the profile and select Demo Profile as the default profile. Save your changes. Printer management also allows you to rename the printer, and create multiple copies of the printer. Close printer management and the dashboard. Now, when you print to PDF Image Printer, the compression method and downsampling values you selected will be applied to any images embedded within your output Adobe PDF files. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Click the link below to download a free trial.